Hi everyone, welcome back to Pink Witch Crystals. I really appreciate you being here today. Today we're going to talk about making some protection kits with our crystals. I like to call these my little first aid crystal kits. So before we get started, why don't you go ahead and grab yourself a cup of tea. I'll let you know what I'm drinking and then we'll get started. All right. Did you grab your tea? So the tea I am having today in my really cute, this is my Bailey's Irish Cream tea cup. I also have a creamer and a sugar bowl in this set. I would love to get the teapot sometime, but yeah, they're so cute. I love them. The tea I'm having today is super simple. It's fall. It's finally feeling cool here. I'm just having the Celestial. It's the cinnamon apple spice one. It's really yummy. Makes me feel like fall finally here in the desert. So, all right, enjoy your tea and let's get started. You know what I'm going to do first is I actually recently got this crystal oracle deck. So I thought it'd be kind of fun if we pull a card and set an intention for today. I got this on Amazon. I really like it. I'm gonna need my glasses so I can see what I'm doing here. All right, let's shuffle these. All right, here's my cards. Let's see what card we get. Ooh, Ammonite. This is my daughter's favorite. She loves these. And our message for today is, I trust in my wisdom and strength to create the life I want. That's amazing because I've been working on some new things that I'm trying to build for my life. And so I absolutely love that we got this card today. This is so great. Like I said, I really like this deck. What I really enjoy also is the book that comes with it. The message is very simple, so there's no more messages in here, but if you go to the card that you've pulled, what it tells you is all about that particular crystal. So let me see if I can find it. Sorry, give me 1 second. All right, so I'll show you. So here you go. You just look it up and it tells you which chakra it's good for, what the intuitive message is, but it also talks a little bit about it in general. So I really like that. It's not expanded on the message. It's just talking about the properties of the crystal. So that's really fun. And then also it comes with some suggestions for pairings for crystals. So that's also something I really like about this deck. So if you're looking for something new, maybe give this one a try. All right, so let's get started. Okay, the first kit we're going to be making is our anxiety relief kit. And I know that we can all use a little calmness right now. So here is 3 stones that I think are great to put into your kit if you're feeling stressed or anxious. First up, we're going to start with amethyst. I love using amethyst because it's super calming. It helps to quiet your mind. And if you're feeling frazzled, you can just hold it in your hand and take a few deep breaths and let go. And it'll do its thing. Next up, you can add lepidolite. I don't have any lepidolite here, but the reason I like lepidolite is because it actually has natural lithium in it. Yep, the same lithium that is in medication. It gives you a sense of emotional balance and peace, so it's really good for those anxious moments. And then, of course, we need our rose quartz, which is for love and compassion. And this includes self-love, self-compassion. So it's a gentle reminder to be kind to yourself and give yourself some grace. Different ways that you can use this is once you have this, you can put it in a small pouch and you can put it in your pocket. You can put it in your purse. You can take them out and hold them and do your breathing exercises, and it will really help you focus. And so I really encourage you to give this one a try. Next up, we're going to do our travel protection kit. So, you know, we're on the road a lot. Traffic can be a nightmare sometimes, or even just stressful going to the airport to get to our destination. So let's do something that will help us feel grounded and focused. First off, I would suggest black tourmaline. It's amazing for protection, and it absorbs all the negative energy that's going to be around you. It's almost like a little bodyguard. So this would be great in your car, or like I said, even if you're just traveling at the airport. Also, I would include tiger's eye for focus and being alert. Again, for driving, this would be great. Gives you a little extra luck on the road. And then I would also suggest smoky quartz, because that helps to keep you centered and calm, and it's really helpful if you're feeling really stressed out or even too tired to go on a long drive. So you can put these in your glove compartment. You can put them in the cup holder that's right next to you on the door pocket. I also like to just keep one, again, like I said, in my carry-on bag, in my purse when I'm traveling. And this will set the intentions for having a safe journey. The third kit will be an energy boost. Okay, I know there's days where I definitely need a little extra boost because I'm feeling really drained. And this is just a really quick pick-me-up. So the stones that we're going to use for that will be some citrine, which is our little sunshine, happy, positive vibe stone. If you're feeling low energy, one of these is really great because it's a little burst of fun energy. Also, I would suggest carnelian. It's about motivation and energy. It's great when you're feeling unmotivated and sluggish, because this will really get you moving. And I know I need that sometimes. It's like a little extra push. And then, of course, our favorite, clear quartz, which is the ultimate amplifier. Not only does it boost the effect of the other stones, but it also brings mental clarity. And if I'm feeling a little foggy and unfocused, well, clear quartz is the one that's going to help me. Where you could use this little kit, well, you could put it on your desk. You can, again, put it in your pocket. Just have it close by where you feel like you can grab it whenever you need that little energy boost. Citrine is, again, something I like to kind of center and hold, so that's my go-to stone when I need that one. And then the last kit is our sleep and relaxation. So we all need to relax so that we can get a night's sleep at the end of the day, and this is a great kit for that. All right, we're going to start off with howlite. Let me see if I have some. Yep. So howlite. This is great for calming your energy, and it's really good for quieting your overall mind and trying to, turn off all the thoughts. Perfect if you're like me and your brain doesn't always turn off at bedtime. Again, we're going to use lepidolite because of that natural lithium. It's fantastic for reducing the stress and bringing a sense of peace. That's what we want when we're going to sleep. And then lastly, selenite. This is going to clear out negative energy and bring a sense of calm, a sense of clarity, making this a really good one to have at bedtime. Again, you can put these in a little pouch, put them under your pillow. You could put them under your bed if you're worried about if you were moving around a lot. You could even put these in a really pretty dish next to your bed. And this is going to really help to give you that restful, peaceful sleep. And you're going to feel a little bit more energized in the morning because you had a restful sleep. Okay, well, I hope that you enjoyed this. That was a lot of fun, and I love doing things with tumble stones. And I hope that it inspires you to try and look around and see what stones you have and what kind of kits that you might need, and you can make your own. Until next time, you have a wonderful week. And again, thank you so much for being here. You can always subscribe. You can leave me comments. Share this with somebody that you think might enjoy this information. And until next time, take care.